What's up? What's up? What's up? How you doing? Life is a mission TV family. What's up? Life is good. Life is great. Don't know, once you have the Almighty in the driver's seat, you have nothing to worry about. You know, just do what you have to do. Yeah, and make God do the rest. Because without Him, nothing is possible, my people. So, we have to just have Him at all times as our driver. We can't have mankind. Yeah, man. Because mankind is envious over mankind themselves. And we all see it, and most time before we go through the situation already in our life, but we can testify, and somehow we have close friends, relatives, you know, even in with naked eyes we see it happening around us, whether with friends or family. So Father God have to be the driver at all times. You understand? And this is the reason why I say we're going up like age. We're not coming down. Because we have to pray to that man every day. So life is a mission, people. Just continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember, share these videos in, you know, whatever contact you have, WhatsApp, you know, Facebook. You never know who you might can pull to the channel or watch your channel and like what them see. And remember, this channel is a family oriented channel, you know, cook vlog. Well, long time I don't know cooking, but look out for it. I plan to do a little curry crab cook up with some roast breadfruit come Emancipation Day, which is not the this Tuesday coming. This Tuesday the 1st. I don't know how it will progress yet. Let's wait and see. But if it's not that, we're going to see some cooking in the coming week, you know. And remember the drama, you know, commentary, social commentary, whatever commentary it is. And the big one is still in the air. Still I work on it, just like how we work on the channel to get monetized, which is the, you know, outdoor adventures, you know, out in the hills and valleys and some rivers and stuff with you subscribers whenever time you visit, and we do some cook up and, you know, any form of cooking you want to see on the channel you want to like. Anyway, my people, I just come on to say a few minutes. You know, I just there today and it come across me where I see a little thing and I just decide to quick it just come in my thought and say to do something about it. These workless fathers, we call them workless father, where we have out there, where when you go around and get these women pregnant, and me now sometimes I have to say to them people, trust me, some of these women, them pick till them pick the wrong persons. Cause the person who really would have stand up with them and them pick me and thing, them refuse that person because of the outlook of the person where them pick up, the background of the person where them pick up, the family where the man they come from where them pick up. You know, them just gravitate to that, probably how the man dress and carry himself. Them just get hooked to that. And the man really just ordinary, not have no family strong background or look like him have nothing, but will stand up with them, with the pitney when the pitney come. Them not look panda man there. But that's how it go. Most time everything we do in a is gamble. You understand? We never know what is going to happen. Because if we didn't know, most time the whole of we are better off in our life. But we're going to stick on the worthless father them. When you look at worthless man out there, we go around and get the woman them pregnant. And for one reason or other, during the pregnancy, so for instance, someone left before baby born, but we have to talk on behalf of the one them were dead with the mother, and when baby born, and then the expense start come up, or wanna find different woman out there where might not cost that much, or wanna find a different woman out there wanna like that, and wanna can't bother with baby mother and baby settings. I wanna run off, left the woman, and barely I give the woman $1. The woman have to fend for herself. You understand? Woman decide to move on with her life because you run out of her life now, you know. So she offend for she and her picking now, whether she pick up a next man or she get some She get a job to do, and you know, she go through her struggles and do her thing to make she and her picnic comfortable. It end up that uno look at Oatless father, Oatless man. I'm not even father, I'm just stick as Oatless man. You know, along the line, you find merry ways out the road with other woman. And wanna stop get the picnic money now. Because probably wanna pick up one girl is a dance tete. Party here, party there, so she want nails, she want hair, she want everything. And if you keep up with that woman and keep that woman, you have to finance her needs. You know well off enough to finance her needs on a daily or a weekly basis. And finance the child where you have. Where you get with the little girl where you left or the woman where you left. So, in doing what you do, you play your best part. So what you do now, if you used to give your baby mother a money every week, the money start come when you feel like. But they've never say 2 weeks, 3 weeks, when you feel like. Because you have to find this present girl money now where you align yourself with. If you give her, if you go do eyelash, do nails, the latest clothes and shoes. Because remember now, you know, she's a dance tete, you know. I remember now, you have this year Monday, you have this year Tuesday, you have this year Wednesday, you have this year Thursday, or 7 days a week you have a different party. Not to mention the one-off party them. So sometimes all 2, 3 party for the night them there. Most of them are girls not work. Because most of them are work, if them did a work, them could not go party 7 nights a week. So most of them just sit down and depend on them body, depend on them looks, depend on for go road and get a man and the man like them and decide to spend money. You understand? So this is how most of them carry themselves. You tell me now, what kind of work a woman could have do now? If I even shift system she depend, but 8 still she can find for go and dance 7 days for the week. So if you even say you depend, say, what I call it now, 2 to 10 then, where you go on 2 o'clock in the day and come off 10 in the night. When you come off 10 in the night from work, boom, by 11, 12 o'clock you're going to party. You don't come back home till I say 4 o'clock in the morning. You get 6 hours sleep, 5 hours sleep, and you have to go back to work by 10. How it work out. So basically them no work. But me could get back on the man now. Boom, this man you know end up can't finance this woman at all she wants, so she book a different man now. We might a top man. So you know what me know? Baby father left in the wilderness. So you don't know what baby father want to know. Baby father want to creep back to mother. And here how I call them Oatless now. He want to creep back to mother, you know. And expect mother to just take him in back with her open arm. That is his baby mother now, you know. For just take him in back with her open arm and love him up and kiss him up. And because woman stick out and stand up on her feet and say, no, it can't work. Can't work. You don't know what boy do. Boy stop give woman money. He used to girl like every week, you know. But you go book that the girl know and that the girl needs eye. You find same start girl when baby mother when him feel like. So girl run him when now cause fee money too little bit. She book man with bigger money now, you know. So fee money little bit. So she can't afford to deal with him and deal with that man because it not go work out. So she have to let go him with him little bit of money. So him want to run back to baby mother now. And baby mother will just take him in with my arms. True baby mother and do that, you don't know what boy want to do. Boy want, cause now him have more money now, you know. Can't give, you know, on the regular basic back like when he did that because ear woman and nails and eyelash woman and party woman not in the picture no more. So him can afford to start give back baby mother money weekly. You understand? So baby mother not into on the intimate part. Just come play a part with your picnic is concerned. Because you run Ghana road and mingle with all kind of woman. We don't know who you mingle with. So baby mother decides that she done with it and she not gonna make it happen. Once beaten twice, so help me Lord, it can't go on again. No, can't go on again. So baby mother decides say, listen, just deal with your child. Me and you have no relationship. Alright? Just come finance your child. If you want your child to go out with, go away with, no problem. You come, you bring what you have to bring for the child. Whatever finance you have with the food stuff or money, you carry it come. So true boy now get baby mother flesh no more. You don't know what this boy do. What this boy cut off the picnic completely. Cause him a tell the mama now say, no flesh, no maintenance. And this is what most of these this father, this man out the road I do. I suffer the picnic because the mother not giving him any flesh. And that's not the proper and the right way to go. You can't make your picnic a starve and a suffer through the mother not give you no flesh. If you figure more or less, okay, me I come in and me I give my baby mother 10,000, 15,000, whatever. Because you can't give more than you can give, you know. Because if you work 15,000 for fortnight, remember you have your own bills too. For pay, because basically your baby mother no live. So you have to consider breaking down that money to survive, to go back to the next pay bill. So boy stop give baby mother money now. When you stop give baby mother money so you not get flesh, what you intend? Or you expect baby you gonna get feeding? And if mother even go out there and pick up a next man and them feed your child, how you gonna feel? If you know say you have the privilege and like you cannot, you have the privilege to feed your child. And because the mother not give you no flesh, and the mother not giving you any flesh, not because she walk out upon you walk out upon she. And gone not kill this girl life. Because girl, me have it say woman we are going to dance 7 days a week and kill these people them, you know. Especially the one them we don't have. It's not like them can go party, come home, sleep, and money a turn for them because them have them business and them have them set up where money a turn. Them have to always a think per man. So woman like them they change man night, day, evening, morning, noon. Because as one gone, them have to find a next one. Because them don't have that urge if you go work. And if you go work, them now can't able to live the lifestyle where them presently living, going to party 7 days a week. So them choose not to work and work them body instead. So them have to always have man in them circle. You understand? So when all this boy goes so and go off with woman and a mind woman and stop minding picnic and give him picnic baby mother money when him feel like, because him have to maintain woman out there so. And then woman run away because money weak, she find stronger man with stronger money. And she start show your bad face and you have to cut. And you want running back to baby mother for just take your hands and gloves. No. Better you take your time and try work yourself in back. But you can't just run from where this and want come. Lie down in the woman bed and want to tell the woman to spread out so. No, can't work. Me not appalled with that. And any woman make man do them like that. A careless woman just like the man. You understand? And to the woman not do that. You stop give the woman the little maintenance, see the picnic cause you tell the woman say, watch her. No maintenance, no flesh. No flesh, no maintenance. And the woman in your mind, and the picnic in your mind, man, and your youth. Make sure your picnic have food for eat, man. Make sure your picnic welfare okay. Don't use the woman to starve the picnic. Don't use the woman flesh. To she not give her flesh. To starve your youth. If you figure more or less that the woman a benefit from your money, then all you do, you buy the necessary stuff where the child want and carry it come. And you know, so when you buy that, it's supposed to serve the child for the week till they get pay again and come back. You understand? And if it done before a certain time, then you can go in your thinking cap now and say, I wonder, maybe I cheat in a feed. I wonder if I sell a girl or sell one. Which I don't think she would do, although there's a lot of them. If she's probably the type of fancy, somebody who want fancy nails, fancy earring, she might do it. Because basically you're not getting the cash no more. So she will do it. Because right now I see one, the father of the child, and the father of the child, you know. But through when the father of the child, she can't get no maintenance to do what she want to do. Live a little careless life. So what she do now, she go away, get involved, take back the child and have the child because she want the maintenance. And right now, people, she have 3 picnic. And right now the 3 pitney I live at risk based upon what I understand. Because she have a little job what she do. And she leave the kids them and gone to work. Barely leave somebody who live in the yard to give an eye. So what about that person when that person want to go about for them business? One of the child I think is 2-year-old, one of 50, one of 12 and one of must say 10. Those are strictly kids. You understand? None of them can look after them one another to a certain level. Them don't even know them danger like that. I didn't even go further into what me even hear. But I want the person that said it to me and said, listen, you can get yourself in problem. Because them say if you know and you don't talk, worse when you come on to pitney, you know it go. You're supposed to make a report. You understand? So when you see this woman after you left me and you reason yes or no, tomorrow morning, tomorrow or the other day, you make she know say you're not going to tolerate this no more. Because you see where you can get in a problem. You understand? And as I say, I'm not going to even say much about it over the ear because, you know, I don't want, but leave it there. But as I say, on the this father, stop tie out on the kids because the woman them now go on the flesh. You understand? If you figure more or less when you give the woman your money, she going to take it, maintain herself and spend on herself and she going to name out of your money. Buy food stuff and the necessary stuff that the child want and to the mother. If the child is a big enough child who can angle themselves certain way, you buy what them need and you carry go give them, you call them and you say, come here Kishi, come here Tony, come here this, and you give them back. And you say, see your things here for the week. Put that $1,000 here in your pocket if you want ice cream or you want a little extra juice. But don't lock your pocket away from the child because the woman lock her crotch away from you and not giving you any flesh. Una owe this man. And una woman stop go around and choose man because una see man look flashy. Stop growing and choose man to my drive one car. Stop growing and choose man because you don't like the clothes and the crepe and how him carry himself. Choose man from them art. Choose man from how them think. You understand? Stop choose man over true vanity. How you think him look and the family where him come from a big name family and I live off a hope say yes man. Yeah. If me there with him, my name, I got big in that family card, I'm going to say, yes, I'm an in-law. That's a no. That's why most of them get soaked along the way. And the little man now, we are doing 9 to 5, would have put out all the effort and interest for you. We're going to turn that man away because at 9 to 5, him do him have to take bus and taxi to go to work. I've seen it. So it's something I know. Especially them nowadays young girl, they be a little flashy man. Man, they feel like them flashy. We have to wait for him mama or him uncle or him cousin to send her money from foreign. Come give him because them don't want to work. Work too hard for them. So them type of man they don't want to pick up. We have to depend on him mother, him auntie, him cousin, him brother, him sister to send her money from foreign. When that little money they come, where you can get from that? Not to mention when them breed you. Where you go sit down and wait for, oh, in family them that foreign. Them are going to send baby clothes and them are going to this. And that you sit down and wait on hopes. When you could have pick up a little man in the 95 with all that interest and you're nice and pretty and sure of what you get. So sometimes the man them hopeless. But uno woman are the cause I make you end up in a certain situation too. Because I want to pickiness. I want to pickiness always leading to the wrong line. Because I want to pick it over a vanity and looks. I want to stop it. You understand? Date a man and find out who he is before you run go lie down with him. You understand? Do some inquiry. Investigate. Just call out some people one away in the area or the corner where I'm there. And just bring up some little small argument and hear where you can't hear. You understand? But if a man not jump in pants and him pants on him body and him a this out him hand and him a one little cup stay so, or him go a party, or him a flashy car, or him in a flashy company, or family. If the man no like that, you no want them the man there. You no want man who slick and dress every day upon corner, you no see him a go work. But the 95 man you no see a go work, you no refuse him because him a do 95. But the flashy man you no do nothing at all. Him you no want. Like flashing his film, flashing his can't go a store. Film flashing his can't go in at the supermarket. Film flashing his can't take care of the baby. When am I going to sell the pants them, sell the crepe them? And the last thing that film do, because I want it to dress up in every day and muggle. Life is a mission, people. Continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And hit that thumbs up when you hit the video. Subscribe to the channel. Please and thanks. Let this channel reach 1,000 subscribers before the independent done. Or before August done. I did beg on it in February, Valentine's, and see there. August we are going on now and still not reach. It moves slowly, but I'm grateful. But come on, my people, I could do it for the independent month, August. Make when August me look, me see me 1,000 subscriber up there. Me just want 100 and what? 76 more, you know. And I know no out there, my people. I know no fans, you know. You know, a supporter. So just hit the subscription button and subscribe to the channel. Family oriented channel. Clean channel. And make sure I have one channel over there so where you can get like the little pass. The one you over here so now, you know, say this family oriented drama, social commentary, entertainment, cook vlog. You understand? And the outdoor adventure them to come. So come, give me the 1,000 subscribers for the independent month. Make me feel independent in August now. Alright? So on Otley's father, stop holding a pitney ransom when the woman them start going to the flesh. Because if you that deal right, the woman them want to start going to the flesh and most some mistake when you make in a life where the woman is concerned. I mean, it's not a one-off thing. You might do it constantly and the woman attack and just get fed up and tired of it. You understand? So life is a mission, people. Thanks for watching again. I'm out.